Let's make some tartar sauce. Start out with some salt and garlic, and let's pulverize it. Next, we're going to add some fresh lemons. About 1 large lemon, or sometimes it needs to be about 2, depending on how tangy you like it. You'll make sure that you don't get any seeds in it. This is Tahini sesame paste. It is 100% sesame seeds that are just ground. They're raw, and unlike the Chinese version that has toasted sesame seeds, and you can find that recipe on our website for black sesame seed paste. So this one happens to be from a Middle Eastern market, but you can find it everywhere. And it's very common. Sometimes when you open it up, it'll have like the oil on the top. It separates kind of just like natural peanut butter. And it's normal, just stir it up really good, and then you can start with your recipe. This is what it looks like. It's a thin, you can see the consistency, right? But you're gonna watch the magic, because this is gonna turn into a thick and voluptuous sauce and creamy, and here we go. We're gonna pour it in. This is about a cup. You know, you can make a lot less or more, as you wish, but we make a cup and it goes really fast in our house. If you want it to last longer, don't use fresh garlic. Use dried, and then you can keep it up to a week. But if you use fresh garlic, you have to use it within 3 days. I just realized I have a really big batch this time. I'm going to move it into a bigger bowl so you can see better what's going on. So I'm just going to relocate. Now this is the point that you would want to add any extra seasonings that you wish. So here's some examples like cumin, paprika, sumac, cayenne peppers, you name it, something spicy, something aromatic would be nice. But we're going to keep it plain just to show you a regular version for right now. But these are all great options. Now here's where it gets fun. You can see there's some settling, and as we start to stir this, it's very normal for tahini sauce to go from this like very thin, beautiful thing to watch. It gets quite dodgy. It's starting to get thick. Can you see it? It's like thickening up. It's becoming quite dodgy, like weird looking, right? Just keep mixing. Okay. Keep mixing. You know, you could do this in a food processor if you want, but I figured that it takes just as long to wash the darn thing, so you might as well just do it by hand. When it gets to be about like that consistency, you see that? That's when you're going to start to add some water. Okay? Now watch what will happen. As we add it just a little bit at a time and stir it up. It's going to get even more clumpy. Hang tight. Now we've tested this like to see if it was the temperature of the products that you're adding, like the lemon and the water to tahini. Maybe it was the difference between if it was cold, one item, see how thick it gets, and warm the other, but that's not it. I think it's just the components of the actual sesame seed that causes this. Yep. Keep adding water, a little at a time, and stir it up, and then the magic will start to happen. Oops. See how it starts to turn colors a little bit? Yeah. It goes from a really dark beige to a lighter beige. See, it's starting to turn. Just keep mixing. See how it turned from that dark beige to the light beige? So you're infusing into that oil the lemon juice, and it's getting all creamy and delicious. My goal
is that when you lift the spoon, it just slowly pours like yogurt, like creamy yogurt. That's the consistency I like it. Perfect. We love that thick, creamy, voluptuous texture, right? And this is perfect for dips, like your favorite crispy vegetables. We also love serving with spicy shrimp. It's fantastic like that. Or over roasted vegetables like cauliflower, spicy shrimp. But if you want it a little thinner, you can just add a little bit more lemon juice to taste or more water to taste. The texture is all up to you.